Morning guys, and welcome back to my vlog. First thing to do, another cup of tea. Yes. So yeah, I think it's going to be a bloody hot day today. I'm not looking forward to that, but never mind. Should we get this day started? It's bloody hot out there today. Oh, fuck me. Oh, sweating. Just watched a helicopter land in a field pretty much next to where I live. Apparently there's been a serious accident. Yeah, I've been standing there watching that. Didn't get footage of it coming in, unfortunately. Didn't grab my camera in time. But hopefully I'll get some footage of it when it takes off.
Oh, you made it. Oh. You do look alike. Oh. You could be, that could be.
Could be, yeah.
I think that's so cute. I know, because you know, in the week, all the things were like diverted because somebody had drones over. Did you know that?
Yeah, I heard about it, yeah. They're using, apparently they're training birds of prey now to take them out.
Because you know what? Because obviously my husband's in anti-terrorism and all that, and we've been in our back garden and we keep thinking we're seeing UFOs and it's these bloody drones. And why are they over that?
Well, I think people use them because they got cameras and that on them to take photos of planes and stuff, I expect, but you don't know.
In my world, it's for doing stuff that's not good.
There you go. Yeah, I know. I'm going to turn around, going the other way. He's having a bit of...
You might have to dart into your
Managed to get some footage of the helicopter taking off. I'm still surprised how it landed there. It's not a very big area, loads of trees, lines across there as well, telephone lines, and he managed to take my hat off to him. Very, very clever, you know. But yeah, hopefully everyone's okay. We can hope they are, so yeah. Just woken up from a nap. What a lovely nap that was. So yeah, sorry this vlog's been a bit boring. Just haven't been doing anything because of the heat. Ow. So yeah, I'm going to wander up to the pub now. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the next day vlog. If you can't be good, be careful.